I start by searching so I can view all my events. And on side of the search box, you have a select date time column. So what I would like to do is select on the time column to see further into my events. I can choose a period, I can custom it, I can choose a day, week, month, quarter, or year. So this time I'll custom and I'll choose that I would like to look at events back to October 2017. So when I've chosen the time, I can see a new little window opens below my event list. This is a bar chart showing the amount of events going on the specific time period. So now it's on the 1 week per bar. If I would like to view it in a line chart, I can change that in the side here and view it as I would like, either bar or line. I can also zoom in my events here and seeing it per day. The upper event list also changed when I chose to zoom in my line chart. Also, my initial search for the time changed due to my zoom. I can also click and hold to mark the area I would like to look closer into. Now I get events down in 1 hour and even further per 10 minutes. If I would like to go back, I can zoom out. And if I would like to view this in a bar chart, I'll press this one. If I would like to save this search, I can save search as, and I will then save the search based on the time window which I have chosen by zooming into the events. I'll call it events. Well, that's it. Thank you.